Hey, this is Christian with Teshua Tea Company. Today I'm going to show you how to do an American tea brewing method. It's pretty simple. Basically what you need to do is you get a kettle or a pot or whatever you have at home, and you do it to about 175 degrees Fahrenheit or 80 degrees Celsius, and it's pretty simple. You just get your tea, you get your water. It's barely under boiling. You don't want it to boil. And so basically you get whatever you have at home to brew your tea. We have this nice tea maker here. Sometimes you just have a little mesh ball, whatever you have. Pour that in there. Take your hot water, just pour it. Pretty simple. And then depending on how strong you like your tea, you can adjust, temperature wise. The higher the temperature, the more bitter it's going to be. The lower the temperature, the less bitter it's going to be. Depends on how you like your tea. And same thing, you never want to burn your tea. Most people who say they don't like tea, it's because they've never had real tea in their life. They've had the bagged stuff. So basically, when you brew tea at home, especially when it comes to loose leaf, you want to do anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes depending on how strong you like your tea. And it's super simple stuff. You just put it there 2 to 5 minutes, 175 degrees to 165 degrees, somewhere around there. And then after you've let it brew for so long, then you just, super simple, take it, pour it out, and that's that. And you got some tea.